Good afternoon, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a very fresh trade-in. I want to show you it just as it came in, because if we wait till it goes through the reconditioning department, you'll probably miss out. So today is a 2013 Road Warrior by Heartland. It is the 390 model. Come on inside, let me show you the details. Opposing slides in the living room, so we have plenty of ample seating area in the living room with two different tables that are posted that can come out or be put in. We can carry on conversations with the guests. We can watch TV. It's got the fireplace. Got the nice big garage with the opposing dinette package, as well as the overhead bunk equipped with the television in the garage. This model does have the washer and dryer hookup in the garage as well, and then having its own 12-volt stereo system for the outside and or garage in this model, because the inside in the living room has the surround sound home theater system for the television. Has the loft above the garage area for extra sleeping or for the kids. Central vac system. Solid surface countertops. Got the closet here with all the commands center here. And yes, this one has solar and a big inverter in the unit itself as well that the previous owners put in. Nice big double deep sink. Large counter area, bar area, large 4-door fridge and freezer. It's got the microwave, range cook, exhaust fan and light, 3-burner cooktop and oven. And as we look at this guy, you can tell it looks like that part hardly has ever been used. Nice big bedroom, got the queen bed. Slide out in the bedroom is the wardrobe with the mirrored sliding glass doors. Second AC in the bedroom. Reading lights above the bed. Another TV in the bedroom as well. This is a very, very nice floor plan. And then it also has the pass-through bathroom from the bedroom. It has its own nice big vanity area. Porcelain toilet, nice big corner glass shower, skylight, bathroom fan, sink, vanity, very, very nice. This is going to have the nice big patio awning that's a power awning above. This model has 4 slide outs. The magnetic catches above. Central vac bag change out here. Hook up here for our hose if we want to vacuum out the basement. The big inverter here that we talked about. Battery disconnect switch. This is a heated enclosed basement area. Got the large propane tanks, 1 on each side. This model has, in 2013, when they had the hydraulic front landing gear, it's much faster than the electric with the electric rear stabilizers. Nice big end piece, one-piece end cap. The other access to the basement on the driver's side or off-door side with the docking station. Nice big gas and electric hot water heater. Pump station, two tank stations, so I have one tank that runs the generator, the other tank runs the pump station as well. The folding ladder that stays on the outside of the trailer. This one has the patio ramp kit, so we have the fencing for the back end when it's in patio mode, as well as having the toolbox built into the floor. The big dinette table in the back end, and then this has the one-piece pull-down screen for the garage area. Does have the power awning that comes out the back. to shade the patio area, as well as, like I said, the electric stabilizer jacks here and the toy lock underneath to lock up our toys, and then the garage door entrance through here. That kind of wraps this one up in a quick video just to get it out there so the public can see this, because toy haulers are extremely rare on the used market right now, especially when they can clean up and be a very good looking, very good condition and in good shape. This is a 2013 Road Warrior by Heartland. If you have any questions, or looking for a specific model of toy hauler and or fifth wheel, again, my name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.